So why do our hormones drop off in our 40s? The answer to that is actually really simple. Our bodies are not designed to last past about the age of 45. In the year 1900, only 5% of people saw their 50th birthday. Our lifespans, we were designed to last about 40 years. That's what our bodies were designed to do. And our bodies do very well for that first 40 years, right? Like, you can live a healthy, vigorous, optimized life from the time you're born to the time you're about 40, 45. Your body functions pretty darn well. Only after that do our hormones start to drop off, and they drop off because they have done what they were designed to do. Our bodies were not designed to last any longer. Well, so what happened to change that? Well, in the 1900s, modern medicine has doubled our lifespan. And that's an incredible, incredible achievement. Our average lifespan has gone from 45 to 85. That's amazing. But modern medicine has not yet extended our health span. Our lifespan has doubled, but those 40 years on the end, those 40 years that have been added to our lives by the miraculous discoveries of modern medicine, those are 40 years of decline. We are not vigorous and vital and healthy. I'm not complaining. I'll take those 40 years. But modern medicine has delivered lifespan, has not extended our health span. The goal and the promise of hormone optimization and anti-aging medicine is, what if we can extend our health span to match our lifespan? What if we can make those 40 years good years? That's our goal here. Because modern medicine, and again, miraculous. My life depends on it. My husband would not be alive without it. I have tremendous respect. I'm a traditional medicine trained person originally. I have tremendous respect for traditional medicine. But traditional medicine is disease-based. You see a disease, you treat it. You see a disease, you treat it. Because that was the primary need of humanity during the 1900s when modern medicine was invented. Treating disease was our most crushing need, and modern medicine has done an amazing job of that. Now, we've doubled our lifespan. Our health span is still 45 years. The next true challenge of medicine is, how do we extend our health span to match the lifespan of what we have created with modern medicine? And that is what anti-aging medicine and hormone replacement therapy is for.